A slow Wi-Fi connection can be a frustrating experience, especially on your iPhone 15. If you're constantly buffering videos, struggling to load websites, or dealing with dropped connections, it's time to troubleshoot the problem. Here's what you can do. First, restart your iPhone and router, as it can often fix minor glitches and refresh the connection between your iPhone and the router. Restart your iPhone by holding the power button and either of the volume buttons until the slider appears. Slide the slider to power off your iPhone. Wait for 30 seconds and then press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. To restart your router, unplug it from the power source for at least 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Wait for the router to fully power on and reconnect to the network. If the restart won't fix the problem, then you need to reset the network settings. This procedure will rule out the possibility that it's an issue with your iPhone. To reset the network settings of your iPhone, launch Settings and tap General. Swipe up and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings and follow a few on-screen instructions to proceed. After that, try to see if your connection has improved. If not, then it's a problem with the router or the network itself. You should call your internet service provider to have it fixed. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.